Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm here again, Wide Open Transit Farm. How are you today? I'm hoping everything is alright. And about me, if there is asking, I'm fine too, and thank you. I'm here because I want to share about cayenne hot pepper plant, of what I learned a little about this plant. This is our cayenne hot pepper plant. The seedling was bought in the store and I was planting in the flower pot. And bearing many fruits, and I was harvesting many times or several times, especially I was needed in cooking purposes to use flavoring dishes. What is cayenne hot pepper? Cayenne hot pepper is one of the variety of hot chili pepper. The color is green. Tall plant, and the fruits are long sizes, and the taste of the fruits is moderately hot. And what are the uses of cayenne hot pepper? Cayenne hot pepper are useful because it can make a cayenne hot pepper powder. It can make a cayenne hot pepper sauce, and good for flavoring for cooking dishes, and also good for drying the fruits, and also good for seasoning and marinating the meat, and also have a good health benefit like vitamins and minerals. Thank you for watching and also the supports. I see you on the next video. Bye bye.